Well, I just pulled up to the light, and I just missed a train. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure what it is. Might be the 162. Or no. I don't know what it is. Maybe not 002. Maybe it's IO20. Maybe that's it. I don't know. I'll find out. Well, here's our first train of the day. I've been waiting way over an hour for the next train. After IO20 went by, that was IO20 that went by in the beginning of the video. That was IO20. I don't know what this train is. Might be 634, but who knows? All right. He's getting closer by the second here. I don't know where the heck he's at. It's a little bit of a windy day, so I'm gonna try to get as little noise as possible. I'm just glad I wasn't out yesterday when it was like really, really windy. But I think he might be going slow for some reason. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I think you can. There he is. Okay, should be going down like that. There they go. Horn salute. I am not entirely sure what this train is. Oh, he's on track 1 apparently. Oh, look at this. Probably rolls of steel of some sort. I really want to say this is 560. But I probably don't think so. This might be 634. Again, I can't tell with all this various freight cars. 568. Holy moly, a lot of old stuff.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 164.9er. Track 1.
Track 1. He's on track 1. I'm gonna check NS real quickly. There's nothing. Okay. So, that was cool. I don't know how many more I'll get, but we'll see. Turns out it was M560 after all. M560 with 404 axles. That's what it turned out to be. Okay, I'm in the car right now, and it is 9:17 as of this recording. 29P has not passed me yet, and I'm about to head home. So I don't know what's going on with their train, but that doesn't seem normal to me for the 29P, because normally it would be here between like 8:30 and like 9 o'clock or something like that. Maybe even between 8:30 and 9:15. It's past 9:15. It's getting close to 9:30, and there's still no 29P. So I don't know what they're doing or where they are, but that's nothing for you. M560 was the only full train that I saw. I missed IO20 by like 3 minutes. And that's pretty much how today went. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the 560. Like, subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So I just checked the signals that were over here. They're all red. So that tells me either A, I missed him already, or B, he's not passed yet, and he stopped somewhere for something else, for some other reason. So that's what that tells me. I don't know for a fact if he already passed. He might have, but I'm not entirely sure. So that's just a quick update.